Hello guys, Brad here again with another review. Today I want to look at a flanker fragrance called Acqua di Essenza. A little sample card right here. And inside there's a picture of the bottle. As you can see, the bottle looks pretty similar to the original. Now, this fragrance was just recently released in 2012 and is classified as a woody aquatic. The top notes are bergamot, grapefruit, water notes, and cologne. Middle notes of it: jasmine, floral notes, basil, and sage. And in the base we have musk, clary sage, cedar, patchouli, vetiver, pepper, and amber. And the base notes, this one got 19 positives, 8 neutrals, and 2 negatives. So, first of all, I do actually have the original Acqua di. I remember way back when I was just starting out my fragrance journey, my wife, Sarah, she got a whiff of Acqua di while she was at work, and she really liked it and told me that I had to get a bottle. So I was looking at bottles, and I saw that they were pretty expensive, so I ended up getting some Acqua di off of eBay. It was a used bottle, and I did like it. I think it is a really great aquatic fragrance. Of course, it's not exactly a hidden gem. Everybody knows about it. In fact, I think it is considered the best-selling fragrance right now, or possibly of all time. Very popular fragrance, good compliment factor, just a great fragrance for anybody to have in their collection. So that was way back in the 1990s that one came out. Now, just a couple years ago, Giorgio Armani decides to come out with this flanker called Essenza. And I've been wearing it a couple of days. I even smelled the original side by side with this one. And I do think they're pretty similar. It seems to me that with Essenza, basically what they did was they added some spices. Maybe it's the clary sage. It kind of tones down the amplification of the citrus and just kind of gives it a slightly woodier, slightly spicier character, but still maintaining the essence or the essenza of the original Acqua di. So I would say if you like the original, most likely you'll like this flanker. If you didn't like the original, I'm not really sure if it's going to change your mind about how you feel about this fragrance. Side by side, you can tell a difference, but just wearing it, I'm not sure how many people will actually perceive a noticeable difference. So, yeah, I was kind of neutral on this one myself. I would say if you already have the original, I'm not sure if you need this one. Maybe if you're finishing up the original and decide you want to go ahead and replace it with this one, that might be okay. This one might be a little bit more versatile because of the spicy and woodiness of it, while still maintaining the pleasant character of the original. So let me go ahead and get into some scores. This scent, I'll give it 7.5. You know, the original Acqua di and this one are both great smelling fragrances. The only problem is that everybody's probably smelled this fragrance by now, and being a top seller, it's not exactly a hidden gem in the fragrance game. Projection longevity, we'll give about 3 or 4 hours. I think that I could notice it easily. So about 7 out of 10. Uniqueness, I'm going to give it about a 4 out of 10 because it does smell a lot like Acqua di. And of course, there are several other fragrances that smell like Acqua di anyway, like 360 Red and Paris Hilton's Just Me. Versatility, I would still say this is mostly a spring-summer fragrance, but with that slightly spicy woodiness in the background, it might be a little bit better for fall as well. But still, I'm going to give this one about a 6.5 out of 10. You could wear it year-round, but a little bit bright for colder weather, in my opinion. Price point, 2.5-ounce bottles I've seen for about $80. It's about 5 out of 10 there. You're probably not going to find a good retail store that has a cheap bottle of Acqua di. If you go on eBay or somewhere like that, you might get a better deal. Overall, This one, I give it a 7 out of 10. It's just a strong, middle of the road fragrance. You've smelled this smell before. Not much different from the original. It's perfectly fine if you want to get a bottle. But if you already own Acqua or if you want to stand out, you might want to go in another direction. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.